The preacher said God would never give more than I could handle on my own. But I don't know if I believe that to be true. 'Cause there've been some times when I've been all alone and wanted to give up, but you helped me stand. Yeah. God, He used you, shined right through you in ways you will never know. So many ways that you'll never know. Mountain mover, bulletproof, yeah. You made me stronger. You had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. You prayed away rainy days, even kept a smile if they stayed. 'Cause either way, you stood on the rock and not on the sand. No. It's sweet memories of all the little things you did to show me love. And you helped me stand. Yeah. God, He used you, shined right through you in ways you will never know. So many ways that you'll never know. Mountain mover, bulletproof, yeah. You made me stronger. You had a faith that I'll never know. Yeah. You had a faith that I'll never know. Kings will rise and fall, bending for the fame. And seasons come and go, and time will bring some pain. But if there's one thing that I know, you will always remain the same. Yeah. No, you'll never change. No. God, He used you, shine right through you in ways you will never know. So many ways that you'll never know. Mountain mover, bulletproof, yeah. You made me stronger. You had a faith that I'll never know. You had a faith that I'll never know. No.
Hey guys, this is the belliwelli Daily Fiber Plus Probiotics. It has 4 grams of fiber plus collagen, probiotics, and electrolytes. You can drink this up to 4 times a day. As you can see, you guys, I'm having trouble blending this up. It's because I put it in cold water. It blends better when you use room temperature water, but I don't have any of that, and I do not drink the water out of the sink because it's nasty. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead, put my ice in here, and drink my daily probiotic. It's good for gut health, skin, hair, and hydration support. And this is the Tropical Breeze flavor. It is really, really good. You can go and click my link over at TikTok. I will have it down in the description box, or you can go pick this up at Walmart because Walmart have it as well. Sometimes Walmart is sold out because this is so popular, but you for sure can find it over on TikTok. And it tastes so good, y'all. It don't taste grassy or anything. It tastes like juice. So if you're looking for something that's going to support your gut health, your skin, your hair, and give you hydration support, belliwelli. I love it. Tastes really, really good. Okay, y'all. Now I'm about to take my stormi eggs Betteralt hair, nail, and skin gummies. It has plant biotin, vegan collagen. It boosts collagen production, strengthens your hair and your nails. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, contains soy, and preservative-free. I have been taking these for about a week. Yeah, I think a week. So, yeah, you guys. My hair was shedding really, really bad. One, because I did relax my hair back in June, and I haven't had a relaxer since. I've been just washing, conditioning, deep conditioning, doing protein treatments, and flat ironing, and it's working for me. So yeah, you guys, this have been keeping my hair from shedding a lot. So if you want to try these, I will leave the link down below to my TikTok. You can go over and click the link as well and get you some of these, or you can just go to TikTok yourself and look into the TikTok shop and find these. They're on sale right now as well. So I'm going to put the link down in the description. And also, you guys, this has collagen in it as well. So getting a double dose of collagen.
You had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. Caught in every moment, I see the sun on your face. Hopeful eyes keep them glowing. Yeah, I love you more than words could say. There's nothing you could do to stop my heart for you. Just keep your head up high. Yeah, hold your head up high. I know sometimes there are things you don't understand. Broken roads, faded dreams, and trying to find your way in. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side, even in the change. I won't walk away. I promise I'll stay. Yeah, I promise I'll stay. If you could see what I see, the lonely nights overcome, you'd be proud, yeah, believe me.